Hello and welcome back everyone, Brandon here at Slingmods.com, and today we have our side storage bags for the Polaris Slingshot. If you own a Polaris Slingshot and have been on the lookout for a convenient interior storage solution for both you and your passenger, then this mod's going to be just for you. Introducing our EvolutionR series side storage bags for the Polaris Slingshot. These bags are sold as a pair and utilize the unused storage space on the side of both the driver's seat and the passenger seat. The bags are manufactured from a water and mildew resistant Oxford fabric on the back side, with a carbon fiber marine grade vinyl material on the front side for a super sporty look. Each bag features two weather resistant zippered pouches, with the pouch on the front being perfect for storing things like gloves or sunscreen, while the larger pouch is perfect for storing things like a light sweatshirt, hat, or really anything else you may need quick and easy access to. Each bag mounts easily in place with the adjustable hook and loop strap that attaches to the side frame bar, as well as an adhesive backed hook and loop strip on the back side to keep the bag securely in place. So now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop slingshots.
Start by test fitting your bag so that you can see where the Velcro strip will adhere to on the inside panel. Then take an alcohol wipe and clean the surface area of that panel, and let that sit for a minute to dry. Next, peel off the protective backing tape. Slide the bag down behind the seat. Align the bag by wrapping the strap around the frame bar, and then press down firmly on the adhesive strip to adhere it in place. And then just repeat that same process for the other side.
And that's all there is to it, folks. So if you're looking for an easy to access storage solution for both you and your passenger, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab a set of side storage bags for your Slingshot. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.